Body-worn camera is a wearable device that records audio, pictures and videos. Through this device, we can also watch real-time video, real-time device location from anywhere in the world through Wi-Fi and 4G network. Why Sanchar body-worn camera system? Great tool to control and protect law enforcement. Quickly determines false claims filed against officers. Provides evidences of use of force incidents. Gather video evidence at crime scene. Enhances officer performance professionalism. Where we use paramilitary, defense, police, railways and public sector undertaking like hospital staffs, securities, malls, offices, jewelry showrooms, car and bikes showrooms, also delivery companies like Zomato, Swiggy, petrol pumps, transport industries, Ola, Uber and many more. Basically any customers facing operation. Basic specifications. Water resistant IP67 rated. GPS location, date time enabled in pictures and videos. Capture pictures and record videos audio from device on single click. Store collected data to any PC via USB cable or store on cloud server. IR night vision up to 15 meter 3500 mAh long lasting battery, lightweight industrial grade material. Talking about the hardware, there is a 2-inch LCD display. There is an option to install a belt clip on the top side of the LCD screen. On the right side is the sensor. On the left side is the laser location light at the top. Left or right side in the middle, and there are 4 infrared sensor below. This infrared sensor is used as night vision to record video in the dark environment. There is a white light in between them. These 2 holes on their side are high quality microphone and speaker. Introduction of buttons. There is a power button on the top right side of the device. The device turns on with a long press. The logo of Sanchar Communication comes on starting. The middle has a 2-inch screen with 3 buttons at the bottom. M is menu and down browse button. Press this back button. At the right side, there are 4 buttons. This button is for video recording. Video recording on and off with a single click. When we press the recording button, the filming icon shows on the screen in flashing mode. Pressing the button again will stop the video recording. This one is photo and flashlight button. Short press to take photo. And long press for flashlight. This one is audio recording button. Press it to start audio recording. Press it again to close the audio recording. And this star button is top back button to talk back to the control center. At the left side, there are 3 ports: USB port, HDMI port and reset key. This is the mini USB port. We can easily connect with PC or laptop, and we can also charge the device with same port. This is mini HDMI port. Via this port we can easily connect our device with monitor and also having a reset key. If the camera freezing, you can do a hard reboot by long pressing this reset button using a pointed pin. This is AV audio in and out port and 4G SIM card slot. At the bottom camera is the multifunctional charging base port. By the help of this button you can enable the IR light in the front of the camera. To verify you can see the LED are glowing. This infrared sensor is used as night vision to record video in the dark environment. And by again pressing the same button, IR lights will switch off, as you can see in the front of the device. By long press, the same button can be used to switch on the white light in front of the camera, and again long press the same button, white light will switch off. You can verify in the front of the camera. As you can see, there are 3 buttons below the LCD screen. The device is password protected, so to access the recorded data until the time device password if configured through software, the default password is nil. To access the menu, press OK button. Please press 6 times to see recorded video, audio and photo in the device. You can select photo, video and audio by side buttons. And by pressing OK you can play the recorded data. To exit from recorded menu, please click the on-off button. Also, by long pressing OK button, you can switch on the laser in front of the device. To switch off the laser again, press the OK button. To enter in the menu, you have to press the M button and enter the password in the device. After this menu will be accessible to you. After entering the menu, first we will see the video resolution feature. Press OK button to enter in the video resolution menu, and to select the required resolution you can scroll the menu from M button. Higher the video resolution, video will use more storage space, and lower the resolution, video will use less storage space. And once the resolution is selected, press OK button to save the required video resolution in the device. To select the photo resolution option, scroll down from M button and press OK button to enter in the photo resolution menu. Then scroll down the menu with the help of M button and select the required photo resolution. Higher the photo resolution, picture will use more storage space, and lower the photo resolution, pictures will use less storage space. And press OK to save the photo resolution in the device. To select the quality option from main menu, scroll down with the help of M button and press OK button to enter in quality option. Then scroll the available option in the quality, and once selected, press OK button to save the quality setting in the device. To select the pre-record option from main menu, please scroll down with the help of M button and press OK button to enter in the pre-record menu. Then scroll the available options with the help of M button. Pre-record option will help you to record the video to a specific time. In case you started the video recording of an event after few seconds, and once the pre-record setting is selected, press OK button, save the pre-record setting in the device. To select the delay record option from the main menu, please scroll down with the help of M button and press OK button to enter in the menu of delay record. Delay record will help you to record the video for some minutes in case you have to stop the video recording due to some unforeseen reason. Then scroll the available option with the help of M button, and once selected, press OK button to save the delay record setting in the device. To select the burst shot option from the main menu, please scroll down with the help of M button and press OK button to enter in the menu of burst shot. And scroll the available option in the burst shot menu. Burst shot enable you to take multiple pictures in single click, and once selected, press OK button to save the burst shot setting in the device. To select the 4G Wi-Fi option from the main menu, please scroll down with the help of M button and press OK button to enter in the 4G Wi-Fi menu. These features allow you to live stream the video with the help the internet to a server or cloud platform. And then scroll the available option in the 4G Wi-Fi menu, and once selected, press OK button to save the setting in 4G Wi-Fi menu in the device. To select the live streaming option from the main menu, scroll down with the help of M button and press OK button to enter in the live streaming menu. This is the protocol for live video streaming with the help of internet. This is a default setting. Then scroll the available option in the live streaming menu, and once selected, press OK button to save the live streaming setting in the device. To select the GPS option from the main menu, scroll down with the help of M button and press OK button to enter in the GPS menu, and press M button and rewind button for GPS on and off. If you selected on option, then it will indicate a GPS icon on top of the screen. This features allows the user to live track the body-worn camera holder. To select the time zone option from the main menu, scroll down with the help of M button and press OK button to enter in the time zone menu. Select a time zone option with the help of M button and rewind button for set up a time zone synchronization according to our state or country, and press OK button to save the select time zone. To select the infrared option from the main menu, scroll down with the help of M button and press OK button to enter in the infrared menu. This feature allows the user to control the infrared either manually or automatically in case of transition from light to dark condition. And select available option with the help of M button and rewind button, and once selected, press OK button to save the setting in the device. To select the record warning option from the main menu, scroll down with the help of M button and press OK button to enter in the record warning menu. This feature helps you to know when you start the recording in the camera by announcing that recording is on. Select a record warning available option with the help of M button and rewind button, and once selected, press OK button to save the setting. To select the keep beep option from the main menu, scroll down with the help of M button and press OK button to enter in the keep beep menu. This option for keypad sound on and off. Select option with the help of M button and rewind button, and once selected, press OK button to save the setting in the device. To select the split time option from the main menu, scroll down with the help of M button and press OK button to enter in the split time menu. Split time is like a video cutter. We can use this option for video cutting. Select available options according to your requirement with the help of M button and rewind button, and press OK button to save the setting in the device. To select the loop record option from the main menu, scroll down with the help of M button and press OK button to enter in the loop record menu. These features will help the user in case the memory of the device is full. It will store the new recorded data and delete the previous data. Select loop recording options with the help of M button and rewind button, and once selected, press OK button to save the setting. To select the mute option from the main menu, scroll down with the help of M button and press OK button to enter in the mute menu. If you want video with audio, press on in the option. If you press off in mute option, so that video will record without audio. And once selected, press OK button to save the setting. To select the save screen option from the main menu, scroll down with the help of M button and press OK button to enter in the save screen menu. If you select a save screen mode timing according to your requirements so that your device will automatically go to in sleep mode, select screen saver timing options with the help of M button and rewind button, and once selected, press OK button to save the setting. To select the secret shooting option from the main menu, please scroll down with the help of M button and press OK button to enter in the secret shooting menu. If you enable this feature, no physical indication will appear on the camera. Once selected, press save the setting by pressing OK button. To select the default setting option from the main menu, please scroll down with the help of N button and press OK button to enter in the default setting menu. To reboot the device or to factory reset in the settings without losing data. Once selected, press OK button to save the setting in the device and it will come back to the original setting. To select the device information option from the main menu, please scroll down with the help of N button and press OK button to enter in the device information menu. Here you can access the device information such as device ID, IP address and software version, etc. Press this back button for exit. As soon as you will open the box, you will see the instruction manual. And this is the body-worn camera with an inbuilt battery and have got a LUG color display. You get other accessories like single unit charging station, adapter, Chest clip. With it you get the clip which helps you mount the camera on chest and record freely. USB programming cable. You can connect the USB cable to the charging station and mount the camera on the dock for charge and data transfer functionality. This is the all-in-one multi-unit docking station for body-worn camera. When you will plug and place the camera at the docking station, the light over the body-worn camera will turn and the charging will start. Multi-unit docking stations features touch screen, automatic data extraction, up to 8 TB storage, automatic clear camera memory for next day use. Body-worn cameras are not only used by police forces, other industry applications, healthcare by team doctors and nurses, security guards and public transport agencies, a pizza shop cashier, a hotel concierge, check-in staff at the airport. EMBA software is installed for USB connectivity between device to computer. If you attach the device to the computer without this software, then connectivity issue comes. Now we see its installation. For this you have to go to the software folder. Where is your software? According to your Windows, you can install the software. In this you get two folders named first, second, Win 7 and higher. If you have Windows XP, then you have to run the software by going to the folder containing the XP, and if you have higher, then you will have to run the software by going to the second folder according to your Windows bit version. In these you get two files, 32-bit and 64-bit. According to the bit of your Windows, you can select the file and install it. According to the bit version, you will double-click on the software file. You must allow permission yes button, press if software required. Here you will be asked to remove the USB device. If you do not, the software will remove it automatically. Press OK to continue. Welcome page of setup will appear, in which you will be asked to close other applications. Press next to continue. Here you have to define the path where you have to install the software, or you can install it in the default path C drive itself. It uses only 46 MB for installation. Click install to continue setup. Setup automatically done. As after some seconds shows one pop-up windows regarding device driver installation wizard for some computers need in order to work. Welcome to the device driver installation wizard window will appear. Click next to continue. Drivers file copy in system successfully. Show pop-up completing device driver installation wizard. Click finish to continue. Click finish to close setup. This will install the driver required for BWC configuration. Copy the folder named SBWC CP and paste it in any of your D drive. This software is used for standalone configuration of body cameras. Through this software, we can change the camera ID, user ID, Wi-Fi, password of body-worn camera. The device ID should be different for each room so that the camera can be differentiated from its device ID, and the camera ID can be different or be same as per customer requirement. Device ID is 7-digit key minimum and maximum. You can give more or less than 7-digit in it. The alpha numbering can be the same as the camera ID is 6-digit minimum and maximum, and also be alphanumeric. With this you can calibrate the time of the device. In this also comes with battery information as well as the current video resolution of the camera. In this folder you get 3 files, in which 2 are softwares helping files and 1 is LUN file. You have to double click on SBWC CPS file. After clicking show stand alone body worn camera management pop-up window. Connect camera with computer through USB cable and then click option connect device, then put password default 000000 and click on sign in. First option is calibration time. Click on same option. After clicking, the date time of the device will be synchronized with the date time of the computer. Second option is camera ID, user ID, department name. We have to enter only camera ID and user ID. Rest of the information can also be entered, it depends on client. On the right side, you will get the option of read and setting information. What you already write in read will show you again and save current information in particular box and area in setting. Then click on settings for save. Selected STA mode for Wi-Fi. Whatever the name of your Wi-Fi is, enter same Wi-Fi name, then enter the password in the bottom tab, and in the tab below it enter the static IP address of the server. Enter the port number in the right side, and click on setting for save. This option is usually only when the device has to live stream through Wi-Fi or and to do with 4G. Only server address and port number have to be entered. The fourth option is to change the administrator password. Enter a new password in it, confirm it in the next tab, then click on setting for save. If we enter from the user, then we cannot see or delete the data. Sixth option is enter U-disk. After clicking on it, we enter the MMC device card. Drive gets attached to our My Computer like when we put pen drive. Then we get one drive by attaching it. Similarly, we get the drive of body worn camera in My Computer. You will enter the drive by double clicking. In it a folder named DCIM is found. Double click in it. There is a folder named 100 records in it. You have to double click on it. Then all the data of video, audio and back is found in it. From here you can cut and paste it in any particular drive or folder. After cutting data the device to blank again. Client or user can manage the data according to their own. If you want to format your device, click on Format TF card option. This application is for live view of body camera. Through this we can talk to device with live GPS of device and software with live view, or you can on its mic remotely. You can send messages to the device online simultaneously. Can fetch GPS and video record of last any day according to your server HDD capacity. You will double click on the software and you will give permission for installation by clicking on yes. Select English by default language and then click OK to continue. Welcome page will be shown in it. It is written that if any application is running then close it. After closing click on next then continue. Path has to be selected for installation or can also be installed in default C drive. Click yes. You can also enter the name of your software or run the setup with the default name. Click next to continue. If you want a shortcut to the software on the desktop, you can click the check box. Click next to continue. The software is ready for installation. It shows you all the details that you have done. Click install. Software is installed within 30 seconds. Click check box launch now if you want to run this software now, otherwise click on finish. Put username, password, server IP here, and then click login for live streaming. Contact your nearest Sanchar representative and follow us on